So for today's video, we're gonna unbox a MacBook Air. I've got the 15-inch right here. It's very nice packaging. Let's take those off. This camera setup is, I'm only recording on my phone, so in the future, we'll have a camera. Nice setup. Here we go. This is the Midnight 15-inch freaking 16 gigabytes, and I got a 512 gigabyte memory storage. Let's try to get rid of this now. There we go. It's very tough to do one hand. That's all right. I'm gonna dig my finger. Maybe I'll just. Yep, that works. Okay, so take that out. Let me just put this on the side. Okay, so we've got the bigger adapter for fast charging. I didn't want the small one. We also got a Midnight charger, similar color to the laptop that I got. And we got some of this, probably some sticker that includes in there, but that doesn't really matter. This one is what matters the most. Okay. Woohoo! Oh, look at that. It's already fingerprint. But that's all right. I like the color. It's very elegant. See that? This is very thin. We've got only 2 USB-Cs and that charging port over there. And we have that jack thing. I don't know what that's called. But yeah, this is very sleek. It's nice. It's already like a little dot over there. Alright. Okay. Get this film off. Look at this keyboard. So I've actually owned a Mac before, but
I decided to use English as the main language. Press the return key.
All right. I decided to go with PC so I can have more games, because back then I had to, like, I don't know, I just couldn't get games. But yeah, this is very nice for a laptop. My previous laptop was a Lenovo, and that had a good run until I started dropping it by accident. And
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
Working.
If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. Okay. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Okay, Siri. Thank you for that. But this was a purchase because I need to use this for school and mostly like editing stuff, making videos. Hopefully this is a powerful laptop. This is my first time owning a MacBook Air, and I really like the design, and it's very thin and light, and the screen is actually the right size. Like, I don't know how people could use 13-inch. I feel like that's way too small. We have set up the iCloud. Should be setting it up right now. What is this, file vault? Oh yeah, sure. I don't know what that means, but okay. Now I'm gonna set up this fingerprint. Okay. Wow, let's go. That's it. Look at this wallpaper, man. Let's do the new ones, you know? Okay. So this is it. We got a MacBook. We back in the Mac. And let's see if that works. Oh, that's what that works. Sick. Yeah, we're gonna set this up, but this is it. The midnight 15-inch MacBook Air with a 16 GB RAM and 512 SSD. And it's also got the M2 chip. It looks beautiful, yo. So yeah, that wraps up the unboxing video. It was very quick. Maybe if I had a camera, it'll probably had like a better quality on video, but that's all right. We'll have a camera in the future. But yeah, I'm very happy with the laptop. I'm gonna be up on it all night trying to set this up, trying to personalize it. Anyway, thank you for watching, yo. It was short but fun for me. I hope you enjoyed too, and good night.